Within Haijneken, we are located in over 70 countries. We have over 150 breweries and produce more than 250 brands globally. Sevиља is one of the breweries that we have. That's one of the breweries where also multiple brands are produced. We are very interested in looking how digital innovations or new technologies can help us to increase our end-to-end productivity, and therefore we're looking into 3D printing to validate and identify how the technology can help our breweries. We use 3D printing for safety optimizations. Secondly, we also use it to find applications for line optimizations. Finally, we also use it to make very fit-for-purpose tooling to enable, for example, better or safer or quicker maintenance. So we have multiple purposes where we use it for, and I think there will be even more purposes in the future.
We are starting to replace steel on 3D printing part. With the plastic element, the mechanical properties are very similar to the steel. Sometimes it's better. It's very easy to do different improvements. We can reduce the loss of the material. For example, this bottle around the conveyor sometimes jam in the sensor to detect the quantity of the bottle. This is a problem because normally it's a jam of different bottles. Now we create a modification in this sensor in order to make it possible to produce the jam in this element.
At the moment, we really see that the technology can help us to localize part of our production. For example, when you look at Africa, we see that delivery times or lead times to get parts imported in some countries is really challenging. We are now able to produce them locally in our breweries or very close to our breweries instead of shipping them around the globe. So that's really where we see an advantage. What we've seen so far in the pilots that I've run is that we've significantly seen a decrease of cost. A cost reduction in the functional applications that we found from 70 to 90%. On delivery time, we've seen the same decrease, so also delivery time reduction of 70 to 90%.
Traditionally, in 2-3 days, it's possible to have this part here, and with the 3D printing, it's possible to design, it's possible to print in 8-10 hours, it's possible to run the line again.
In the coming year, we will start up multiple pilots to apply the functional applications we found in Sevиља, but also to find new applications and make sure that those will be scaled across the other breweries that are using the technology in order to leverage the advantages and scale the benefits.